Hello everyone, welcome to FineReport tutorial lesson 17. Repeat and phrase. So today we're going to talk about how to do the repeat setting and phrase setting. So as you can see, we have 4 sections list. Section 1, we have the base report design. Section 2 and 3, how to set up for the repeat. Also section 4, we have the phrase setting. Alright, so let's get started with section 1, report design. So very first, we're going to create our dataset using dbquery. So select all from product. Product will be the table that we're using for today. Okay, so next let's expand DS1, the product table. We have different data columns. So click on different data columns that we need to use while hit down Control in order to drag them from the DS1 to the corresponding cell. So next we're going to merge the B1 to BF1 and also B3 to F3 in order to make our headers. So product information will be the name, and also let's add a company name for the bottom. Alright, so next I'm going to do a little bit adjustment for the format using color to recognize and also give it different format. So let's take a preview at the current table. So the idea for using repeat is we want to use the product information, the title also showing in the page 2, and also the bottom FineReport company showing on the page 1 as well. So let's get into the section 2. Let's set up for our repeat settings. So go on top, template, right bottom, duplicate and phrase. We have the repeat title rows and also the duplicate last rows. So for the last row, we want the row 3 to be repeated. So let's change up this setting. So as you can see, from 1 and 2 rows, we have the indicating letters. That means we already set up for the repeat. So as you can see, we have the first page, product information, and also the FineReport company. So same idea for the second page. We also have the heading and ending. So that will be the repeat settings. So section 3, let's take a look at how to set up the header in a quick way. So click on the row 1, right click on it. We have the setup for the repeat and duplicate. So that will be a really fast way to set up for the repeat settings. And also we have achieved the same result. Alright, so let's enter in the next part, the phrase settings. So back to the template, bottom, duplicate and phrase. Section 2, phrase settings, we're going to phrase the first row. Okay, so let's take a preview. So the idea is as we scroll down the table, the product information will still be fixed. So that will be the idea for phrase settings. So next, let's take a little extra working on how to do a data entry phrase settings. So first we're going to add different wages, the text field for the middle section row, and also same way, we're going to click on the duplicate and phrase using the data entry phrase to phrase the number 1 row. So let's take a look using data entry previews. So it will be the same idea as we scroll down the mouse. The product information will still be phrased as we do the data entry form. So that will be everything for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.